Hello students, today we will study about the next topic from the staffing unit, that is the recruitment. Yesterday I told you that the recruitment is a positive process, that everybody can apply for a job, nobody will be denied from the side of the organization. So recruitment is a positive process of searching prospective employees and stimulate them to apply for the job in the organization. Now the recruitment type of sources of recruitment, there are two type of sources of recruitment: internal or external source of recruitment. Internal source of recruitment means recruitment from within the organization, and external recruitment means recruitment from outside the organization. Clear? There are further two types of internal source of recruitment: transfer and the promotion, and there are many types of external sources of recruitment which we will study further in our next video. In this video, we will study about the type of internal source of recruitment and the merits and demerits. There are two types of internal source of recruitment: transfer and the promotion. Transfer means shifting of employees from one job to another, from one branch to another, from one region to another, from one department to another. Clear? Again, the transfer means shifting of employees from one branch to another, from one area to another, from one department to another department. This is called the transfer. Suppose an employee earlier was working in Rajasthan, now he shifted to Punjab, that is called transfer. An employee earlier is working in marketing department, now that employee transferred to production department, that is called the transfer. Clear? The promotion means upward shifting of employees. Clear? A promotion means upward shifting of employees with higher salaries and with higher designation. Clear? So these are the two types of internal sources of recruitment: transfer, promotion. Promotion means upward shifting of employees with the higher salary, with the with the more power and with the higher designation, like from assistant manager to deputy manager. Now the merits and demerits of internal source of recruitment. If an organization uses internal source of recruitment, so how it will be beneficial for the organization, and what are the disadvantages for the organization for using internal source of recruitment. Clear? The first merit is motivated to employees. When an employees will be promoted on higher job or with the higher salaries, so they will feel motivated, they will feel encouraged to do work with the more productivity, and they will feel a sense of belongingness with the organization, and they will do work with more efficiency. Simple process, it's a very simple process. No need to give advertisement, no need to conduct interview, no need to conduct written test. So that's why it's a simple process for an organization. Savings of time and cost. When an organization uses external source of recruitment, so there will be involved and there will be more expenses and as well as wastage of the time, because there is need to conduct written test or interview, so it takes the time as well as cost. So if the organization uses internal source of recruitment, so it saves the time and cost. Helps in adjustment of surplus staff. If one branch is having surplus staff, if one department is having surplus staff, so those surplus employees can be shifted to those branches in which there is a shortage of employees. No need for induction training. What is the meaning of induction training? In last video I also told you the meaning of induction training, which is also known as orientation training. which is given to the new employees of the organization to make familiarized with the organization rules and regulations and the environment. So employees, they are old employees of the organization, they are well versed with the organization rule and work culture, so there is no need to provide induction training to the existing employees. Now the demerits of using internal source of recruitment: it reduces the scope for induction of fresh talent. If organization continuously will use internal source of recruitment, so it reduces the scope for introduction of fresh talent in the organization and of fresh skills. Second, employees may become lethargic, means lazy. They know that on the time they will get promotion, so they will not do extra effort, and it also hamper the spirit of competition, because the fresh talent or fresh employees are not coming from the outside of the organization, so they have confirmation of promotion time to time. Clear? So it hampers the spirit of work among the employees, they become lethargic, and it also hamper the spirit of competition. A new enterprise which is established now, they cannot use internal source of recruitment because they are not having existing employees, so this is not suitable for the new enterprises. Frequent transfer may reduce the productivity. Sometimes suppose frequent transfer, and just because of the education of child they cannot shift with the family, so these types of transfer affect the employees emotionally and it reduce the productivity of employees. So this was about the internal source of recruitment. Thank you.